Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yalayciaaa, and I'm back with another makeup video. So my video today is going to be on this look right here. I didn't do my my foundation routine in the video. All I did was the eyes, but if y'all want a foundation tutorial, like I said in my outro, let me know. I probably shouldn't have said that in my intro and my outro. Anyway, but if y'all want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. So to prime my eyelids, I'm actually going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now this is a travel size because wasn't nobody paying no $30-some. I got the travel size and it wasn't even really for my shade, whatever. So now I haven't really used it. It's this big, yeah. It's super small. So my first shade is going to be Nana from the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. Wait, Magic Mini 2. No. The Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. Sorry, I was getting a little reading all types of stuff. I tried to be cool for a minute and think I knew the actual name and I didn't really have to look at it. Turns out I didn't know the name. So, okay. So, I am going to bring this out like a wing because it's pretty much like a wing cut crease, I guess. So if y'all can see it, I've just brought it out like that. Now I'm going into the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to start off with this brown right here. Burkina, I guess. And I'm going to just put that like right in my crease. Pretty much just to deepen it or whatever. Then I'm going to take this darker brown right here, Fulani. And with the same brush, just because I feel like it. I'm going to just put that in the same spot I just put the previous brown shade. Now I'm going to take this Glam Light brush. It already has stuff on it, but I'm going to just use that and just pretty much buff the colors out just so they can like blend a little better. I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape, the same one I used to prime, and I'm gonna use that to, what is it called? Cut my crease. But I'm not doing a full cut crease. I'm gonna do like a little, not even half. I'm gonna do it like right there. We're gonna see how this works out. Oh, I didn't even tell the shade. This is light medium. Okay, so as y'all can see, I didn't even do it halfway. I did it really little. So this is pretty much a little, it's like I didn't put too much. So I'm not going to tap like any excess off. I'm gonna just let it sit for a little bit. And I'm gonna clean this off my hand because I don't want it on my shirt. I am going to go right back into the same brown we put, the first brown. So I'm gonna go back into this palette right here. And I'm gonna take the shade Burkina. Now I'm gonna go into this It don't even have a name, but it's from Elf, by Elf, whatever. I don't know, this little thing. It came in a box that I got. And I'm going to take this little shimmer. It's like a little white shimmer. I don't know. I'm going to take that onto this Ruby Kisses brush. And I'm going to pack that on right on top of the place where I cut my crease. So now that it looks like this, I'm going to take a wipe and I'm just going to clean up the winged part. So now I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue and I'm just going to line the top part out of my like place, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use that same brush that I used to pack on to the lighter color, and I'm going to go into my little glitter chest and I'm going to mix 2 glitters. Ooh, I'm kind of scared. I probably should have used a different brush. It's obviously not working. So that looks kind of dumb. Move the ones that I don't. Oh, no, 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 no. So today's lashes I'm gonna be using are the lashes I was gonna sell. Usually I'll put mascara and I'll curl my lashes, but I don't have my lash curler or any mascara on me right now. So alright, so I put my lashes on and I ended up doing the rest of my face and my lips. If y'all want like a foundation like routine, let me know so I could do that for y'all, because I keep doing it off of camera. But this is the finishing look. It looks cute. Like it might look like it's a little too much, but go big or go home. If y'all like this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my socials. They will be down below. I'll see y'all in my next video.